Pansin nga rin nung game 1, yung kakulangan in terms of bench production, lalong-lalo na para sa Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings. Itong starting lineup na nakikita nyo ngayon for the Gin Kings scored all except for 2 points noong game 1.
Oo, that came from Rodney Santos. Siguro yun ang isa sa mga gustong i-address ito si Coach Shot. The entry nitong si Andy Sigel who was scoreless in game 1. And siya kailangan pumuno dun sa ginagawa nitong si Romel Adupol. Kaya na lang niya si Brad. Apat na 3-point shot.
Grabe to.
10 points. So, kung pagkasabahin mo yung numbers ni Eric Menk at itong si Ramo, sign love sa 3-point shot.
Oh! Pinilit ni Mark Caguioa. And the Sparks making the impossible possible.
Bago ito sa Torrey Braggs, naghanap sila talaga nung import na kasing size ni Art Long eh. Parang gano'n eh. So, tinignan mo si Torrey Braggs, gano'n ang feature na ito sa Torrey.
Frustrated sa kanyang laro lately.
Kung mas galit si Miller.
Etong hindi natin nakitang Willie Miller at the end of game sa ating first quarter. Caguioa against Miller. Both equally quick and flashy players. Loose ball, bodies on the ground. Nagtawag ng timeout si Taulava. Umabot ba? Yes. Helterbrand with an open look.
Kayo lang ba? Kayo lang ba? Kami rin eh.
Helterbrand medyo binigyan ng puwang ni Jimmy Alap. Maganda yung linya eh. And Caguioa. Oh! The assist from the Sparks para kay Torres. Ang outside bombing ng Talk and Text phone fouls and Belano missing from 3. At pinag-uusapan ngayon ng ating mga officials whether that will be a flagrant foul laban kay Belano. Field.
Well, dapat talaga itawag eh, no? And what's bad here is nasa penalty na itong Talk and Text. So, bibigyan ng
score bago matapos ang first quarter. Mabilis ang galaw ng bola for the Gin Kings and Helterbrand bangs it in for 3. On the Adukul screen, running jumper, J.K. Helterbrand, jackpot for 2.
is match at 2.
That time, here come the Gin Kings in transition. Caguioa in the middle.
Why wasn't he challenged there? Si Taulava, Gerald Hanikat, right there.
Dito naman, Jimmy Alapag.
So the 1-2 punch si Taulava, and that will be the 4th foul. Ito si Romel Adukol. Adukol just couldn't get his game going, his offensive game rather, kasi yung depensa ang ginagawa niya dito eh.
Balik tayo sa ating backcourt matchup. Ito ang dalawang tag team na si Miller.
Oo, yun talagang magandang match dito. Ano, kanina nakita na natin yun. Well, uncalled for, no? Ito si Felix Belano, readily acknowledge.
Oo, at saka naka-acknowledge naman kaagad.
Oo, naman, di ba? Acknowledge kaagad.
Ito nangyari kanina. Si Mark Caguioa naman.
Baka
colliding with Mark Caguioa earlier.
There's a push by Mark Caguioa. Dire-diretso. Itong si Felix Belano. Incidental contact yan. Carried away by his Willie Miller can play the point.
So obviously yung lack of depth.
Fire at will,
Caguioa. Mukhang sarili, binigyan ng go signal to take the 3.
The second half na raw, sabi niya.
Tama.
Sinasabi natin kanina, no? Okay lang, you put a small guy on Hanika. Make him...
At ang Red Bull para.
Well, napalog na nila kanina yung game ko niyan. Hindi natin alam kung ano ang naging resulta. If Red Bull won that game, top-lane series na yan.
Yan ang pagkakataon at the free throw line. Here he is. And the thriller.
In the ball game, make that. Dapat pala Torrey, now it's bragging high. Ganun pala yun.
And Willie Miller will win this time around. Talk and Text phone pass. Fade away jumper. Willie Miller.
Well, this time it's Miller getting the better. Yun eh. Ito tignan muna natin kung saan ang gari yung tira.
Yung bawang nalip numbers ng dalawang kapanan in the third quarter. Over to Mark Caguioa sa kabila. Caguioa for 3.
And Mark Caguioa, nakakarami na rin ito.
From the double team, labas siya Alapag. Alapag, the hop, the pass, and the
Ibang klase naman yun eh, no? Kanto na yung depensa nitong si Torrey Braggs, but very creative talaga ito si Willie Miller. Napag-clear out ng coaching staff itong phone pass. Ano sabi? Sige, lumayo kayo. Bayaan nyo si Willie Miller work his way one-on-one against Mark Caguioa. And Mark Caguioa masasampal ng kanyang pangatlong foul.
Their former player ng Batang Red Bull. Back with the offensive board. Kagiwa. Deku.
Well, don't give Mike Kagiwa a second chance, ano?
And Honeycutt. Hesitation. Ito ang press ni Willie Miller.
Magkas na naman ang ball movement para sa token test. Pero Ben Pablo tried them in person. Inabas yung bola. Inikot niya. Tama yan. Back in form. Oh, he has 26 points in the ball.
7 seconds and counting. Formality time na lang ito for the Barangay Nevergin Kings and Valenzuela adding
Twist.
3 points. Oh, adding to isa. Natabla na ang serye natin in this best of 3 semi-final round